Hi everybody and welcome to Project Yellow. So we have an 06 BF Xr6 that we bought complete as we're already partially way through the project. This vehicle we knew beforehand had been smashed in the front and rear but repaired professionally, and now we are going back to repair some of the issues associated to that repair work and then hopefully do a full paint job, get this thing on the road, plus a few other bits and pieces. So as you can see, to date we have the back windscreen out, the back of the car's apart. The front is also off the vehicle. We pulled the back windscreen out because a lot of water was getting in through the boot. This whole corner was still full of water. Water was getting into the inside of the car, so we pulled the windscreen out. We can see the rust coming through here, even here where it's coming through the inside of the car. And we knew this quarter panel had been replaced as rust started coming through in all these sections, so we've hacked into it to see where we're at. We're actually going to cut in the segment this section of the exterior panel off to get to the damage on the inside, repair all of that, and then replace this with a bit that we've cut off another car, replace all this damage through here, new back bar. The boot lid itself has some rust as well that we'll fix. There's all this rust through here. We'll get into that and then do a full paint job. So aside from anything else, that's the main stuff for the back of the car, and we'll get into that and we'll start chopping it up and we'll see what other damage we can come across.
Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you.
So we've got a lot of this back area carved up, ready to go now. So we're going to cut into this corner here and carve all this section out. Just have a look in here to see how much this we really need to cut out. There is quite a large, it's almost 10 mil of bog in through here that goes down into here and about 6 mil up through here, so we'll have to address as much of this as we can, but right now we'll cut into this and we'll see what it looks like.
Welcome home. Missing you made me stronger. Then I'd be Superman if I fly around the world. It wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand.
So we've carved into this, we've got a pretty good keyhole. So what we're going to look at doing is cutting from about, somewhere I'd say about here, nice spot all the way through up to about here, get up to about here, cross, and then somewhere around here we'll get a final measure on. Our donor piece incorporates this here, it's cut sort of on a big angle through here. We're going to unstitch these, replace this whole section right through to here, right through to this join. We're going to take out this piece as well, replace this. Our donor piece comes down to about here. So we're going to have to fix this damage separate, but once we get all this out, we'll get stuck into that. Then it's just, this is separate plated, so we'll plate over that, repair this, a few spot holes here, have a better look into this, and then rust proof the crap out of the whole thing once we're done. So this will eliminate all of this. We'll take all of this whole section out. There is a double skin in here, but we're going to have to cut through that part of it anyway. But our donor section here has all we need, so we'll pull this apart off camera first, sort of get this set up, and then we'll know what we need to do exactly on the car in regards to taking the inside out.